Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the software engineer university graduate role at Google. Google is currently hiring for the software engineer role from the 2026 batch. So if you are interested to start your career at a company like Google, then watch this video till the end to know all about the process. So I will be going through the qualifications that they have listed. Under the minimum qualifications section, they need you to have a bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience. You should be having experience working with Unix, Linux based environments, machine learning, information retrieval, and TCP/IP, etc. Should be having experience programming in C, C++, Java, and Python, or Python, any one of them work. So under their preferred qualifications section, they have listed that it would be great if you have an advanced degree in computer science or computer engineering or a related field. So moving on to the hiring process that Google generally follows, they will be starting off with a resume shortlisting. So you need to make sure that your resume has a high ATS score. I have made a video on how to make the perfect ATS friendly resume. You can go through that. I will be attaching the link to the video in my description. So you need to basically have a clear-cut, simple, explicitly mentioned headings in your resume for experience, for projects, for skills. Make sure you are giving the best projects and deployed links attached to those projects. All your internships and your contributions are mentioned explicitly in the resume. At the end of your resume, you can attach stuff like achievements, leadership roles, and certifications with their links, right? Make sure you use action words, numbers, which the ATS systems can track very easily. So they have their maximum shortlisting in this round, and it would be great if you have a referral in this round as well. So if you get shortlisted from their resume shortlisting round, you will be asked to join for a telephonic interview. You'll be given a 15 to 30 minute slot where you'll be connecting with your hiring manager. They will be getting to know you. They might ask you some questions like how many problems that you've solved on Lead Code or Geeks for Geeks, and what tech stacks that you usually use and you're comfortable with. If they feel that your profile has potential, they will be assigning a time slot for your technical interview. So Google has a minimum of 2 technical interviews if they are satisfied. If the interviewer is satisfied with your response, then well and good. But mostly it can go up to 3, 4, 5 technical interview rounds. So here, remember that if you're asked data structure like graph for the first round, you won't be asked that data structure in the second, third rounds. So they ask from a variety of data structures, and usually the question levels are medium to hard. So you will have to write your code in a Google Doc. It won't be an IDE. So code auto completion and errors won't be suggested to you. So you can kind of practice coding in plain Google Docs. Yes, they do have the software which will support indentation, that much will be there, but auto completion and all will not be supported. So you will be having quite a few technical interviews, after which if you get through these rounds, then the last round will be your Googliness round. So this one will be a simple chat about your experiences. You'll be asked questions like your most cherished accomplishments, the most challenging moments that you've faced in college life, or maybe your work experience, and so on. So they will be aligning you with your teams in this round. So these are the rounds that you'll have to sit for if you want to get into a university graduate software engineer role. And this role is again open for the 2026 batch. So don't be late, apply early so that your resume gets shortlisted early. I will be attaching the link to the application portal in the description of this video. Go ahead and apply before the link expires. And if you are liking my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on internship and job roles, especially for college going students who are on the lookout for this. So please subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.